Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is football season, AKA entertaining season, and I love it. I love it. So for those of us that are staying home or tailgating, we have the perfect dish for you. This is called loaded tater tots. So we have our ingredients. Now keep in mind, you can swap things out based on what you and your family and friends like. But we started out by cutting up the bacon, cooking that down a little bit. And then we made our cheese sauce, which is super simple, just heavy cream, a couple pats of butter, some flour, and then some cheddar cheese. You can use other cheese. I love cheddar. So super simple. Let's put this baby together. We're gonna take our tater tots and we're gonna load it up for our friends here. The first layer is gonna be our cheese sauce. Now, you can substitute this out. You can put barbecue sauce instead of sour cream or whatever you like, ranch instead. I just chose these because this is what I like. From there, I'm gonna add some sour cream, just a dollop of sour cream on each one. Another layer of your tater tots. And from there, we're gonna add the bacon. Have some fun with that. Now this is where you could add your barbecue sauce or wherever you want. I'm gonna do one more layer of cheese, one dollop of sour cream, and my friends, we have an amazing dish for our friends and family that I'm gonna try here. I mean, check that out. Who wouldn't love that for a football game? I know I would. But again, substitute things out. You can substitute for barbecue sauce. You can substitute ranch dressing. Just whatever you do, have fun, enjoy the football game, and head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this full recipe and so many more. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.